It's time to learn about length. Good day, friends. I am the king of vegetable land. And I am the queen. We would like to introduce our daughter to you, Princess Zucchini. Hello, I am Princess Zucchini, and I'm going to teach you how to measure using a ruler and how to make line plots. Let's measure some magical vegetables. Come on! Here is a ruler. This ruler breaks up each inch into 4 parts. That means each line represents 1/4 of an inch. First, always make sure you start at 0. Then, look at where your object reaches. This eggplant is 1 inch long. This celery is right in the very middle of 2 and 3. That would be 2 and 2/4, which is 2.5. This broccoli is 2 inches. This artichoke is 1 inch. This carrot is between 0 and 1. Since the carrot measures 1, 2, 3 of the fourths of an inch, the carrot is 3/4 of an inch. This corn is right in between 2 and 3 inches, so that measures 2.5 inches. That's the same as 2 and 2/4. This potato is 1 inch. Okay, now let's get the data we collected from the lengths of the vegetables. Let's make a line plot. Let's start with the number line. Now let's add the data. For every data number, we're going to put an X on the line plot. The eggplant was 1 inch. The celery was 2.5 inches. The artichoke was 1 inch. The carrot was 3/4 of an inch. The broccoli was 2.5 inches. The corn was 2.5 inches also. And the potato was 1 inch. And there we go. We have ourselves a line plot. Let's try some practice problems. Misty cut 5 pieces of twine to make a rope swing for her fairy friends. The length of the twine are shown below. Measure each string to the nearest 1/4. Make a line plot that shows the lengths of the 6 pieces of twine. Let's measure all of the twine first. We want to start measuring at 0, and our first piece of twine is 7.5 inches. Our second piece is past the 3, and it goes up to 1/4 of an inch, so that would be 3 1/4 inches. The third piece of twine is 5 inches. The fourth piece is 3 1/4 again. And the last piece is 7.5. Now that we have our data, we just need to add it to our line plot. We start with the number line and add X's for each value. Let's see, we have 7.5, 3 1/4, 5, 3 1/4, and 7.5. And there we have our line plot. Let's try this problem. Brian measured the heights of 10 dogs at the dog park. The results are shown in the table below. Which line plot correctly displays Brian's data? I can see in the table that 2 dogs were 21 inches tall. Well, all of the answer choices have 2 values for 21 inches, so that doesn't help. Our table also says that 1 dog was 22.5 inches. That eliminates this answer choice. We can see that 4 dogs were 23 3/4 inches tall. That eliminates these answer choices. So this one must be correct. Thanks for joining us to learn about length. Have a great day!